Hello everybody of YouTube, this is Dylan D. Fire Alarm once again, and today I'm going to be looking at something that I acquired at an antique store, and I paid $20 for this. This is a box of 30 vacuum tubes. As you can see by the title here on the box, it states that they are tubes from Blaine's old TV, and it says they're all good, but a couple of them aren't good, so I don't know, whoever tested this didn't do a very good job, but we're going to go ahead and pull the lid off, and we're just gonna have a look at what I got here. So I'm going to set the camera down again, and starting with some of the tubes that didn't come in boxes, I just put in the bag here. And I guess I'll get a closer look at it. So there's just some of the tubes that I got. There's several types. These are Loctals that have a Loctal type base on them. And this is a 7C5 tube. 7C5. Focus my camera here a little bit on that. I don't know how easy it is to see or not, but it's a 7C5. And this one is a 7H7, as you can see. So there's a couple Loctals, there's a couple Octals. Here's an Octal tube. Octal base. This one, this one actually, if you guys could help me identify this tube for me, that would be great, because the tube number actually wore off the tube, and I need to know what tube this is. So if anyone can just tell me what tube this is just by looking at it, please let me know in the comments section. Any information will be greatly appreciated. Thank you. So there's that one, and then there's a couple miniature tubes here. Here's a miniature tube. It's just standard miniature tube. Okay, that's just a couple of the tubes. We have a lot more to cover here. So I'm just going to put those off to the side for now. Because, let me just refocus this. Because we have an entire box of tubes that are in the box to cover here. Here they are. Quite a lot of them here. Out of the total, there's 30 tubes combined from those and these here. So we'll just take a look at a couple here. Here's one. It's a GE electronic tube, as they call it. It's a 6CU6. Focus on that. Or a 6BQ6. Alright, that's the tube number. Electron tube. So we'll go ahead and open it up real quick so you can see the tube. And this is quite a big tube. It's a octal tube. As you can see, the octal base. And there she is. Pretty cool looking. You can see the plate in there. Let's focus this again. This camera gets out of focus pretty easily. Let's focus this in. Hopefully you can see that. Pretty cool. So let's just look at one of the tubes. Let me set the camera down. Let me put the tube back in the box. I'm not going to show you all of them today. I'm just going to show you kind of a couple, just so we can kind of get a look at what I got out of the bunch here. And as you can see, I got quite a lot of tubes, and I think it was well worth it. These look to be TV tubes of some sort. Here's one of them, an RCA tube. It's a 0Z4, it's a metal tube. Here's a couple others. There's even this weird type of General Electric projection lamp or whatever. Some type of light bulb there. But we'll take a look at a couple of the miniature tubes here. So let me just open up this tube for you here. It's a GE tube. Open it up. It's a 6KS6 or 6BN6. Focus on that. And it says used on it, so I imagine this tube was used. Let's take it out here. Here it is. It's a miniature tube. as we can see. It's your standard miniature tube. And yes, I will be posting a separate video of showing me test these tubes on my Superior TV11 tester down here. It's my main tube tester. So I'm going to go ahead and put this tube away. We'll take a look at a couple more here. But I'm going to be making a separate tube testing video. I'm not going to test all of them because it just takes too much time, but I'll just kind of demonstrate a couple of them being tested. Take a look at a couple more here out of the haul. We got an RCA down here. Let's look at the Sylvania here. Here's a Sylvania radio tube. Take a look at that one. Let me go ahead here and open that one up. Just give me a second. And this one is also a octal base tube. As we can see here, it's an octal tube. You can see the plate and the cathode pipe. Six-pin tube. Pretty cool. Let's go ahead and put it back in the box. Alright. And now let's look at the Sylvania. We'll go ahead and we'll look at one more. We'll look at this RCA down here. A 6CY7. So we're going to take a look at a 6CY7. A RCA Radiotron tube. Here it is. It's a slightly bigger miniature tube. As you can see right here, it's got a nice shiny plate in there. I don't know how easy it is for you to see it. It's got a nice shiny plate in there, and it's a pretty nice tube. The glass and everything is nice and shiny and easy to see. And once again, pretty cool. So that was just a quick video on some of the vacuum tubes that I have acquired. And of course, I have many more tubes than this anyway. I've got tons of Compactron tubes way back there in that bag. Back there, I got most of my other tubes are in there. Got some Compactrons. I got some other miniature tubes in there as well. But I just thought I would just show you a couple of my vacuum tubes that I have got. And I will be making a separate video showing me testing these tubes using my Superior TV11 tube tester. Coming up pretty soon. So that was just something I thought I would show you guys. My nice box of vacuum tubes. And just in case you forgot, I'll just give you a quick look at my TV11 tube tester, just in case you forgot what it looks like. Here's what it looks like again, the Superior TV11. It's got a octal socket. It's got an octal socket here. Some of the older 4-pin sockets. Some of the miniature sockets here. Miniature sockets. Got the meter, the selector switches, the knobs, the roll chart, and everything else. Shorts indicator, power cord. So that's just kind of a sneak peek of my next video, which will be on me testing some tubes in this tester. So it's just a quick look at the TV11, just in case you have forgotten what it looked like, as I haven't showed it in a while. So, thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for next time. Bye.